Have you ever seen a train cleaning? Well, I hadn't either until today. We're gonna show you how we did a train cleaning on this and how we cleaned it. And so basically it is a work in process. It's a lot of arm work. It's a lot of just getting it done, getting it hammered down on it. You can see how nasty these things are. They're just nasty dirty. And it's mostly suet. It's from the diesel fuel of it being powered from there. A lot of this comes down to having a good degreaser. And when I mean a good degreaser, we want something that will melt this stuff off. You can see just the dirt on that fuel tank, diesel fuel tank, of how much crap is on there. Process of the train cleaning right here. Now we're applying a pretty thick soap on it. It helps with the soaping and it helps pull that bond of that dirt away there. The degreaser kind of goes in and packs the grease, and then that way it seems to be helping to do the two-step. Not really technically two-step, but as in we're doing pressure washing, or if you're doing a degreaser and then you're putting the soap on top. You probably could just mix the two together and get the same effect at the end of the day. But that's just the way they're doing it. I'm not gonna say one way or the other. It's just, you know, it's basically a car wash soap is all that second one is with it. So on this part, we're having to re-clean a little bit of it because he did the top and the top ran down on the side. So he tapped this good, you can see a little bit down through here where the top has ran over on the side, and you can kind of see, so they're having to just re-clean these things a little bit. These things get funky, man. They clean them like I was saying before, and you can tell how much cleaner they are right now versus when we first got here. So it is pretty amazing how dirty these trains get, seeing that they just push them back and forth and that kind of thing. 80?
Yeah.
Come on now, you can do better than that, can't you?
Yeah, maybe. Well, if I get 100, I'll be happy. If I get 80, if I get 100, I'll be ecstatic, but if I get 80, I'll be happy.
Gotcha. Is there not a lot of high end to here or any of that kind of stuff, or?
Well, I'm kind of new. You know, I just started less than 2 years ago.
So,
you know, I'm getting the name out there. I got the website built. You know, everything is just one step at a time.
Gotcha. Hey, get big jobs like this, they'll help you get other big jobs. Better degreaser. Oh, you think I need a system over there? Yeah. So there's a little 12 volt feed the
pressure washer.
Why do you gotta do that for?
Because it's direct drive, so it can't pull water.
I pull water with them all the time.
Yeah, but that doesn't.
That one won't pull it.
Yeah, you gotta force it.
Did it come that way?
No, I built all that.
Oh, you built that. Okay. Gas. Hate when that happens. Luckily we got gas to go. It's even worse when we don't have gas. It's been a long day, you're out of gas, you only got a little bit left to do. And yes, Logan is that short, if people are wondering. How old are you, Logan?
27.
Are you 27?
I'll be 28 this year. in October.
When did you start? 2 years ago or last year?
Started in October of 19, but I didn't get the license, business license until 2020.
Business license? Oh, you mean like your LLC
LLC
and all that stuff? This right here, boys, is what we call waxing on. Wax off. Wax on. Wax on. Wax off. You can sell something cheap, one, but you put that other thing, they're like...
I don't know how many times I've gone on a job. It's a gutter cleaning, something, and we've done the whole house, the roof, the gutters, the fence, the driveway.
Because you sell it as a package.
Absolutely. You know, if you ain't selling packages, you ain't making money. You ain't present.
Packages is the key to this business. So, the train has gotten clean. Logan is wore out. It took 12 and a half hours to clean 2 trains. So if you ever want to know how long it takes with 3 guys, because I didn't do much.
Cold water.
And that was with cold water. It is better if you do have hot water, but it is what it is, and it got it done, and we're on to the next job.